At Singapore's FOW event with Dominic Lim. Dominic is the Vice President of Market Access for the Singapore Exchange. Thank you, Dominic, for taking time out to talk to Automated Trader.
Thank you for having me here.
Thank you. Dominic, a few questions for you about the market developments here. Are you still seeing automated trading pushing volumes up as fast as in the past, or do you think that's reached a plateau now?
I think for the Singapore market, the automated trading here is actually quite in its infant stage. There's still a lot of room left to grow. In other markets, we see about 35, maybe 50% of their entire volume coming from such participants. For SGX, we are currently seeing between 12 to 18%. We hope to grow that going forward over the next couple of years to maybe about 30 to 35%.
Okay, fantastic. And the switch to the new Quest ST trading engine, does that make the exchange's extensibility in terms of volume significantly faster?
Well, indeed, the purpose of changing the trading engine is number one, to increase capacity, and number two, increase the speed as well. We are looking at about less than 0.36 milliseconds turnaround time for our trading engine. That's the maximum we've seen so far. That's a vast improvement from our previous experience of about 0.45 milliseconds. I wish it would be as easy as it says, to scale up our capabilities, but there's significant amount of testing that needs to be done. We're ready for that. Indeed, when the need arises, we will scale up some capacity accordingly.
And that presumably means that you're able to scale up very, very quickly as and when the need arises.
Yes, indeed.
Okay, now you've something else that's of interest for many of our readers and viewers, online viewers. You've recently signed a memorandum of understanding with the Agricultural Bank of China on promoting listings. Is the expectation that this may also trigger more trading participation on SGX by Chinese banks and trading firms?
Well, that initiative is really, the objective of that initiative is to attract more listings from China to the Singapore capital markets. Not really in the sense for trading purpose, but for raising of capitals in Singapore from such companies.
I see, I understand. Okay, now SGX runs regular seminars for both professional and retail traders. The RTS event yesterday, I think, was an example of you hosting a third-party event. But are you finding the appetite among retail traders for more sophisticated trading techniques increasing in
Yes, over the past couple of years, actually the exchange has been organizing quite a number of seminars and programs for investor education. Indeed, our objective and our key objective is to bring up the level of sophistication of our retail investors. SGX has actually structured a unit itself called the Private Investor Unit within the exchange to look into this matter. We have seen over the past years an increase in sophistication in our retail investors. They are trading in structured products such as warrants, ETFs, and so on.
Wow, so a very sophisticated investor here in Singapore.
Yes,
Okay. Another question for you. What has been the end user take up and response to the SGX proximity hosting services you initiated with Singtel this May?
Oh yeah. We initially told the media when we launched this service, we were expecting at least 10 participants or 10 sign-ups within the first year of launch. We are happy to say that we have so far, and it's only been a couple of months, received already 6 sign-ups for this facility. Going forward, we anticipate more coming from such participants.
Fantastic. Now, something else that will be of great interest to our readership. One of the things that defines automated traders' readership is that virtually all of them have some sort of interest in historical data, because they need to test their methodologies before they deploy them with real money. What sort of granularity of historical data can the SGX now offer traders, and the quantitative aspect of our readership?
Well,
Do you have full data, including depth of book?
Well, we are constantly upgrading the quality of our data. We have so far collected in excess of 10 years of tick size data for our markets. We are happy to distribute that to customers and proprietary traders and outward traders who are willing to take a look at our information. We don't have market depth information at this stage, but we do have tick by tick data on a daily basis. Yes.
Okay. Well, Dominic, that's very useful information. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to talk to Automated Trader, and we wish you the best of success with the initiatives that the exchange is undertaking at the moment.
Thank you.
Thank you.